how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to fix the product activation failed in Microsoft Excel, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your files. Under files, go with this PC, go with local disk C, and then you need to go with program files 86. And here you will have Microsoft Office folder. So simply go and open up the Microsoft Office folder, or you can go with Microsoft folder. So you might not have the Microsoft Office under 86. You may have it on program files in some cases. So you just need to simply search for Microsoft Office, double click on it, and then open up the folder. So you might have the Office 16 folder, right? So you just need to simply double click on it and open the Office 16 folder. And here you will have this OS named folder, right? OSPPREARM. So you just need to simply right click on it, and here you will have an option of run as administrator. Click on run as administrator and click on yes. And once you've done that, now it will automatically disappear. So you just need to simply do this for 2 or 3 times. Once you've done, then your problem will be fixed. You just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix product activation failed in Microsoft Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.